Good morning, friends. Yesterday's what we have done in the video, we have done 1.4 ka first sum and third sum. Now we are going to do today second sum and the fourth sum. Let's see. First, I have written the second sum over here. You can see there's already 10 upon x plus y plus 2 upon x minus y is equals to 4. 15 upon x plus y minus 5 upon x minus y is equals to minus 2. Now students, for this kind of sum you require a lot of practice. It's having a 4-mark sum and it's a lengthy sum. You must have seen yesterday video, you must have gone through that, how lengthy sums were there. Still you can see this over there here in the denominator. If you take that over there, yesterday 2 sums you have done over there. The denominator there was only one variable in that one term, but here you have x plus y, x minus y. There it was only in the first sum it was only x or y. Second sum it was x plus 2 or x plus number was there. But now here you have here x plus y and you can see x minus y here. So now the procedure which has to be followed is the same procedure what we have done yesterday. I will be doing over there is nothing but I will be splitting up this 10 into, can I write 1 upon x plus y plus 2 into 1 upon x minus y is equals to 4. Can I split up this over there? Now after that here when I splitting up I'll be writing this this is my equation number 1 and I'll be writing the second equation also below this. This is what splitting of 15 into 1 upon x plus y minus 5 into 1 upon x minus y is equals to minus 2. That's my equation number 2. In this equation, what again you can see this over there. Here you have 1 upon x plus y, 1 upon x plus y, 1 upon x minus y, 1 upon x minus y. Now what I'll try to do to here, again the same thing, substitution over there. Let you'll be having over here 1 upon x plus y is equals to m, and I'll be having over here is 1 upon x minus y is equals to n. Can I get this over there? So wherever is there, that is 10 into 1 upon x plus y can be written as 10m. And then plus I'll be having over here 2 into 1 upon x minus y can be written as 2n is equals to 4. That is what the same thing you'll be having here, equation number 1. Then after this over there, the second equation this will be what, 15 into 1 upon x plus y will come as 15m plus you'll be you'll be having here minus. So minus sign, here it is a minus sign, so it will be minus 5n is equals to, you'll be getting what, minus 2. That's my equation number 2. So after substitution I got 10m plus 2n is equal to 4 and 15m minus 5n is equal to minus 2. Now after substitution again then you have to follow the 3 rules which we have studied in here, practice set 1.1. That is what, equalization, substitution, addition, subtraction and substitution. So that now here the same rules has to be followed over here. Now if you check this out carefully, that here you have 10 and 15 and you have 2 and 5 and here you have 4 and minus 2. Now here it is 10, 10 cannot be made 15 or 15 cannot be made 10. Here 2 cannot be made 5, 5 cannot be made 2. Now here what you have to do to here, I will try to equalize n variables. N variable. Now how n variable, how it has been equalized over there, I have to multiply equation number 1 by 5. If I multiply equation number 1 by 5, 5 to the 10. And if I multiply equation number 2 by 2 5 are 10. Can you see that? I have to multiply from both the equations. 5 to the 10 and 2 5 are 10. Okay. Then I will be getting over here. So I will be writing over here in this case is multiplying equation 1 by 5 and 2 by 2. 2 by 2. Can you see this? So when I multiply 5 10 the 50m, I'll be getting what, 50m, and then after that over there 5 2s are 10, so I'll be getting plus 10n is equals to 5 4s are 20. I'll be getting this new equation, that is your equation number 3rd. So I got your equation number 3rd. Then again, that is what I have multiplied 5, 10 the 50, 5 to the 10, 5 for the 20. I have to multiply with all the three terms. Same thing, this 2 has to be multiplied with all the three terms. So I'll be getting what 2 15s, I'll be getting 30 m 5 to the 10 minus 10 n is equals to, I'll be having 2 to the 4, and this will be what your minus 4. That's my equation number 4. That's my equation number 4. So I finished with the first step. That is what the equalization. Now can you see that n term got equal? Now n term got, I got plus 10n and I got minus 10n. I got the equalization. First step is got over. Now after that you will be having the second step what I told that addition or subtraction. Now for that, what to be done for the second step? Addition has to be done or subtraction has to be done? We have already done. Already I told you that you have to check the sign of that terms there. Now you can see this 10n and 10n, you will be having what? One is plus and one is minus. They are having opposite sign. Now opposite sign, what we have to do? Addition. There in the same sign, what we did was the subtraction. There, if they were having same sign, do you remember? S for same, S for subtraction. But now they don't have same sign. They have what? What opposite sign. So if they have opposite sign, that means what you have to do to it? You have to add. So I have to do the add over here. After adding this equation, when you do the adding, that time the sign of the second equation doesn't change. That is only in the subtraction. The sign of the second equation changes over there. Keep in your mind. Now this will be what over there when you add up 50 plus 30, you will be getting what? 80 m, and this is what? 0, and you will be getting what over here? 20 minus 4. You will be getting 20 minus 4. That is what? Your 16. So that is what you have got over here, 16. Now I got this, if you check this out carefully, that after adding I got the, so I have to write it over here, that what I did over here, I have to write it over here, adding equation third and fourth, adding equation number third and fourth. After adding, you can see that over there, therefore I got what? 80 m is equals to 60. So now therefore I will be writing what over here? M is equals to 16 upon 80. 16 upon 80. I can do this 16 upon 80. So the cancellation has to be done. You can do by cancellation. 8 to the 16, 8 10 the 80, 2 1 the 2, 2 5 the 10. So I got the value of m is equals to 1 upon 5. I got the value of m is equals to 1 upon 5. We got up till now, I got this one. That is your second step got over here. First step is what? Equalization. Second step you have to do the addition, and third step we have to do, to get the value of n, we have to do the substitution. Now what is substitution? So here you will be having what? Substituting the value of m is equals to 1 upon 5 in equation number, what is that here? In equation, can I take that equation? Which equation will be taking over there? Can I take the equation number 1? If I take the equation number 1, now what is the equation number 1? That is over there, 10m plus 2n is equals to 4. That's my equation number 1. Now after taking that over there, substitute the value of here in this case is 10 into 1 upon 5. M ka value is what? 1 upon 5. 10 into 1 upon 5 plus 2n is equals to 4. Plus 2n is equal to 4. So 5 1 the 5, 5 2 the 10. So you will be getting what? 2. Here you will be getting the answer is nothing but 2 plus 2n is equals to 4. 2n is equal to 4. Now here if you check this out, here the plus 2 will go to the right hand side. It will be getting what? Minus 2. 2n is equal to 4 minus 2. Therefore you will be getting what? 2n is equals to 2. And n is equals to 2 upon 2. Can you see that n will come and divide? So we are getting cancellation. That is over there. Here you will be getting the value of therefore n ka value what you will be getting over here is 1. This is 2 1s are 2 and 2 1s are 2. N ka value will be getting 1. So we got the value of m and we got the value of n. The sum is not over because actually we don't want the value of m and n. We want the value of x and y. M and n are the substitute values. So now we have to resubstitute the values. Now how to resubstitute the values and get the value of x and y. So now up till here everybody understood this over there. So I can rub this out over there and you can get it over there. First see what I did over there, the substitution, then equalization what I did over there, then addition, and then here you can see that over there the substituting the value of m and you got the value of n. Now I'll try to do one thing over there. I'll try to resubstitute the values. Now resubstitute the values over here. For that I'll rub it out over there. So you have over here resubstituting the value of m and n. Now if we check it out that way, we have substituted the value of m is what 1 upon x plus y is equals to m, and 1 upon x minus y is equals to n. Now 1 upon, here you can see this over there, 1 upon x plus y is equals to m, and we got the value of m is what 1 by 5, and here 1 upon x minus y is equals to, you got 1. That is what we have substituted with it. Now what we have to do, reciprocal both the thing with it. You have to reciprocal on the left hand side and the right hand side. So 1 upon x plus y will become x plus y, and 1 upon 5 will become 5. Now here you can see 1 upon this will be, now I will be getting, can you see this over there? There is what we are getting, one more equation coming up over there. So one more equation, when we get it over here you'll be, we have already given the name, that is your third, fourth. So this equation ka name we will give you as fifth equation. Here 1 upon x is equal to 1. So reciprocal of 1 upon x is what? X minus 1 upon x minus y is 1 x minus y, and reciprocal of 1 is what? 1. And this will be your equation number third. Now I got a new equations coming up. Can you see this over there? X plus y is equal to 5, x minus y is equal to 1. Here the sum is still, it is not stopped. We have to continue further. Now if you check this out carefully, that there is what over here, y is equal, x is also equal. But you can see this y is having plus sign and in the second equation y is having minus sign. So if you can see the opposite sign, so I'll try to do one thing with the same back. You have to continue further. Already it is equal, so I'll be going for adding. So can I write it over here? Adding equation 5th and 6th. When I try to add this equation number 5th and 6th, you will be having what? X plus y is equals to 5. This is my equation number 5th. X minus y is equals to 1. That's my equation number 6. Can you see this? So let's try to add up. So this will be what? 2x 0, and this will be what? 6. Everybody can see this over there. I got what over there? After adding, I got here 2x. Therefore, I'll be getting over here in these cases 2x is equals to 6. And therefore you will be getting what? X is equal to 6 upon 2, 2 1 the 2, 2 3s are, x is equals to 3. You will be getting what? X is equals to 3. Now back again you have to get the value of y. So again the same procedure. See, so many times you have to do substituting the value of x is equal to 3 in equation number. We can go in equation. Can we take the equation number 5th? If I take the equation number 5th, it's a very simple one. You have your x plus y is equals to 5. This is my equation number 5th. And then what we got, the value of x is what? 3 plus y. 3 plus y is equals to 5. And then 3 will, from the left hand side, will go to the right hand side. So what is that over there? 5 minus 3. So y is equals to, you will be getting over here, 5 minus 3 is what? 2. So that's how I got the value of x, and that's how I got the value of y. After this over there, can you see that is what over there? You have to write the answer. And what is the answer coming up over there? Always you know that x term first, y term afterwards is the solution. What is that over there? Solution of the given of the given equation. Solution of the given equation. Is that correct? Yes. And this is how the sum is over. Okay, now students, let's go to the fourth sum of this exercise. Here you can see 1 upon 3x plus y plus 1 upon 3x minus y is equal to 3 upon 4. And then you have here 1 upon 2 bracket on 3x plus y minus 1 upon 2 bracket on 3 minus y is equal to minus 1 upon 8. Now can you see this sum? This is still more little extra than part of it. Now here you can see this 1 upon 3x plus y, 1 upon 3x minus y, they are alone, and here there is a 2 to 2 and then there is a 8. You can see the denominator is also there. So now first of all it's very simple, the same procedure. What I try to do here is what, let 1 upon 3x plus y is equals to m. You will be getting what, 1 upon 3x plus this will be coming as what, m, and then after that and we will be having over here 1 upon 3x minus y is equals to n. I can have this over there. So the first equation, if you check this out over there, this will be what over here, I will be writing, if I write over here m plus n is equals to 3 upon 4. I got what? M plus n, because this whole thing is to be written, because there is no splitting and nothing. There is nothing, no split has to be done. It's a simple 1 upon 3x plus y to be written as what? M. So here we wrote it m. So this is m, this is what plus, and this is what n is equal to 3 upon 4. But you can see that second equation, this 2, 2 and 8 is there. Now if you see that there is a rule over here in the denominator, if these terms are having going in one table, then you can cancel that away. So it is possible 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2 and 2 4s are 8. So it can be cancelled. So now this 2 got cancelled over there. So 1 upon 3x plus y, again you will be getting what over here, in this case is m, minus 1 upon 3x minus y can be written as what, n, and that's equals to minus 1 upon 4. And this is my equation number 1 and this is my equation number 2. Everybody can see this, what I did, how I got this two equations, just directly substitution. M, and that is your n is equal to 4 or 3 upon 4, and there again m minus n is equals to 1 upon 4. And how I got that 1 upon 4? By cancellation. 2, 2, 2. They are going in one table, dividing by 2. So you got this, okay? Now, if you check this out carefully, that here the same thing, equalization. Your m is also equal, n is also equal. Yeah. So naturally, no need of equalization, okay? So, but which one we are going to this over there? Can I take that n, and n is having opposite sign, and if the n is having opposite sign, that means what to do? Add or subtract? Add. So can I write it over here? Adding, you will be getting over here, adding. I'll be doing here first. Let's go for the addition or that thing. So adding, that is what, 2m plus n will be what? 2m, and this will be 0, and this I will show you how to add. Look here carefully how to add this today. So this is nothing but 3 upon 4 minus 1 upon, this is what, can I have your plus and bracket minus 1 upon 4. We have to add. I'm showing it in the rough column like that. 3 upon 4 plus minus 1 upon 4. So this will be coming as what over here, in this case is 3 upon 4 plus into minus 1 upon 4. And you will be getting, can you see that this plus into minus will be minus, denominators are same, then you can subtract the numerator, and when you subtract the numerator, 3 minus 1 is what, 2, 2 upon 4, and then further you can cancel 2 on the 2, 2 to the 4, so what are you getting? The answer is 1 by 2. So I have done it over here in the rough column, how when I try to add 3 upon 4 minus 1 by 4, when I try to add, how I got 1 by 2, I have written it over here. So you got the answer. What is this over there? Is nothing but, after adding, I am doing this over here, adding equation 1 and 2. 1 and 2. After adding equation number 1 and 2, I got over here, therefore 2m, I got over here 2m is equals to 1 upon 2. Now this 2 will be what over there? Again it will go and divide with this 2 and it will get multiplied. Therefore you are getting what? M is equals to 1 by 4. You got the answer is what? M is equals to 1 by 4. Can you see this over there? I got this m ka value as 1 by 4. How I got it? Everybody got it over there? Here 1 by 2, the explanation is over here. What I did over here. And here I got a value of 1 by 4 of m. After getting the value of m, you have to get the value of n. And to get the value of m, what you have to do? Substitute. So let's try to go for the substitution. So I'll be writing over here substituting the value of m is equals to 1 by 4 in equation 1. Now what is my equation 1? M plus n is equals to 3 upon 4. M plus n is equal to 3 upon 4. Now therefore you will be getting over here m ka value we already got 1 by 4 plus n is equals to 3 upon 4. Therefore n is equals to 3 upon 4 minus 1 upon 4, because plus 1 by 4 will go from the left hand side to the right hand side. And now can again the same thing, you can see the denominators are equal. So you will be getting 3 minus 1, that is 2 upon 4. 2 1s are 2, 2 to the 4. Therefore you will be getting the value of n is equals to 1 by 2. M ka value you got what? 1 by 2. This is what I finished one part of your sum. I got the value of m, I got the value of n. But you don't want the value of m and n. Whatever hai na? You have to, what you have to do? To get the value of x and y, you have to resubstitute the value of m and n. Okay, so the one part of the question I got it over. So can I go for the second part of the question? Now second part of the question, let's go for that today, resubstituting the value. Now here if I write it over here is resubstituting the value of m and n. Resubstituting the value of m and n. So what we substituted over here, you all know very well. 1 upon 3x plus y is equals to m, and 1 upon 3x minus y is equals to n. And you know the value of m, what we got it, that's why I didn't rub it out of there. Check this out of there. Well, 1 upon 3x plus y is equals to m ka value, what is there? 1 by 4. And 1 upon 3x minus y is equals to n ka value, what we got it over there is 1 by 2. 1 by 2. So here now you can see this over there. What I try to do the reciprocal on both the sides. When I try to do the reciprocal on the 1 by side, so 1 upon 3x minus plus y will become what? 3x plus y is equals to 4. 3x plus y is equal to 4. And this is what I will be getting the equation number 3rd. Can you see this equation number 3rd I will be getting over there. And here again the reciprocal 3x minus y is equals to 2. That's my equation number 4th. That's my equation number 4th. Now if you observe the same thing, equation number 3rd and 4th, you can see this over there. The which variable is equal over there? Again y is equal and x is also equal. Okay, there are 3x. But can you see the sign of the y ka is opposite, and opposite sign means addition. But always try to go for the addition first. Subtraction, avoid subtraction, go for the addition. So you can easily cancel because y is having opposite sign. So can I write it over here? Adding equation 3rd and 4th. Let's try to go for the addition equation of 3rd and 4th. Now 3rd and 4th, what will be over there? 3x plus y is equal to 4. That's my equation number 3rd. And 3x minus y is equals to 2. That's my equation number 4th. Let's see this over there. When I try to add up, there's no need of changing the sign of the second equation. This will be 3x. You will be getting what? 6x. This will be 0 and this will be what? 6. You are getting what? 6. So therefore what you got the answer is nothing but x is equals to what you got it over here, 6x. Therefore you will be getting 6x is equals to 6. Okay. So therefore you will be getting what? X is equal to 6 upon 6. It will get cancelled. X is equals to 1. And that's how we got the value of x. After getting the value of x, now we have to get the value of y. It's very simple. You all know very well how to get the value of y. Here's nothing but substitute this over there. So here I have to write it over here. Substituting the value of x is equals to 1 in equation 1. In equation not 1, I'll be going equation number 3rd. So can I try to go in the equation number 3rd, which is the easiest one? So this will be what here? 3x plus y is equals to 4. So this is my equation number 3rd, and therefore you will be getting over here in this case 3 into 1. X value 1, na? So y is equals to, we got it over here, y is equals to 4. So 3 ones are 3 plus y is equals to 4. Therefore you will be getting y is equals to 4 minus 3. Therefore y is equals to, you will be getting 1. So you got the value of y also 1. So your final answer will be coming as what over here? In this case everybody knows 1 comma 1, because both the values are 1 1. X value 1, y value 1 is the solution of the given equation. Yes, and this is how we completed with the sum number 4th, and we have completed with your exercise practice set number 1.4.